Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of two of the most talked about prepaid wireless carriers in the US, Boost Mobile and MetroPCS, also known as Metro by T-Mobile. If you're considering switching or you just want to know who's offering the better deal in 2025, well, stick around because we're going to go deep into everything from coverage and features to pricing and their perks. So let's get started. Boost Mobile originally started out as a prepaid brand under Sprint, but after the massive Sprint T-Mobile merger in 2020, Boost was sold to Dish Network, and that was a game changer. But today, Boost Mobile is trying to carve out a new identity as a value-driven, independent wireless brand using a mix of T-Mobile, AT&T, and its own developing 5G network. Dish is building out its own infrastructure, but for now, Boost mostly relies on existing networks for its coverage, which can vary depending on where you are in the US. On the other hand, MetroPCS rebranded in 2018 to become Metro by T-Mobile, and that name change wasn't just cosmetic. Metro now leverages T-Mobile's full 5G and LTE infrastructure, giving it direct access to one of the fastest growing and most reliable networks in the US. It's technically a prepaid carrier, but it benefits from T-Mobile's resources and innovations in a way that sets it apart from other prepaid providers. So while both are prepaid options that don't require credit checks or contracts, Metro by T-Mobile is deeply integrated with its parent company, while Boost is operating independently under Dish. Let us talk about the main features of each. We start with Boost Mobile. Coverage. It uses a combination of AT&T and T-Mobile towers, but depending on your area, your service may lean heavily on one over the other. In some cities, Boost has even begun using its own Dish 5G network. 5G access. Yes, there's 5G access, but speeds and consistency can vary depending on the backend network that you're connected to. Free SIM and eSIM options. It's available for new activations. Mobile hotspot is included in some plans with varying data caps. And there's international features, which are add-ons for calling and texting to certain countries internationally, plus roaming packages. How about Metro by T-Mobile? Coverage. It runs directly on T-Mobile's 5G and LTE network, which is currently one of the most expansive and fastest in the US. 5G access. It is included in all plans with premium data access. Google One Cloud Storage and Amazon Prime. It is included with some higher tier plans. Hotspots data is also included, up to 20 gigabytes on premium plans. There's free device promotions, which is often available for switching customers. There's also what we call T-Mobile Tuesdays, which is access to weekly giveaways and discounts. And there's full T-Mobile backend support, meaning Metro customers get benefits close to postpaid users. And yes, with Metro by T-Mobile, there are no contracts, no exploding bills, no surprises, no credit checks, no added taxes and fees, and there's no extra fee for the 5G network. This is amazing. Now let us talk a little about the pricing. For Boost Mobile, there's an unlimited plan as $10 per month for the first 2 months, and then you pay $25 per month forever. The $25 per month forever plan is an affordable plan that people are really loving. It's a $25 per month of unlimited talk, text, and data. There's also the Unlimited Plus plan at $50 per month and the Unlimited Premium plan at $60 per month, both with different perks. How about the plan for Metro by T-Mobile? There's a tablet plan, there's a smartwatch plan, and there's also the mobile hotspot plan, depending on what you want. Unlimited plans for the tablets, also unlimited for the smartwatch, which start at $10 per month, and the mobile hotspots at $30 per month. Now, what are the pros and cons of using these platforms? We start with Boost Mobile. The pros: very affordable starter plans, and there's decent flexibility with new postpaid options. The pros of using Metro by T-Mobile: reliable 5G access via T-Mobile's robust network, and there are perks like Amazon Prime, Google One storage, and hotspot data. How about the cons? For Boost Mobile, network performance can be inconsistent depending on your location, and the customer service sometimes can be a hit or miss, but it's not always the case. And there's limited availability of premium features unless you upgrade to a higher subscription. And the cons of Metro by T-Mobile? It is pricier than Boost on the surface. The plans are not really as flexible. So having considered all of this, which one should you go for in 2025? Well, here's the bottom line summary. You go with Boost if you're price sensitive and you don't mind a few trade-offs in coverage or perks. On the other hand, you go with Metro by T-Mobile if you want a feature-rich, no-hassle experience with better long-term value. And that's it on the comparison between Boost Mobile and MetroPCS. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Meet Mobile, Visible by Verizon, and Cricket Wireless. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.